Today we'll talk about how can you enable allow microphone on your iHeartRadio. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just go down here, click here on permissions here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on microphone. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down, click here on permissions here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just go down here, you come here to microphone, click on it, then come to this list and you just click here on allow only when using the apps or ask every time here. Then it's going to enable video or allow video on your iHeart Radio app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.